Welcome back, dreamers, and today we continue the renos underneath the house. We'll show you what we've been up to under there, and a little later in the video we'll tell you about the exciting projects that are about to kick off here on Billabong Views. You do not want to miss that. Can't wait, let's get into it. Now these windows that we're putting in are going to let the natural light flood in, and together with the doors, they'll let a lovely breeze come through here, which is going to keep it nice and cool during the summer. Well, as I said at the start of the video, make sure you stick around for the videos to come as we continue the reno underneath the house and in closing that in and putting a back door on. And not only that, we're also going to be doing the deck, extending it way out to here, and there's going to be a special feature on there that is going to be just the ticket on those hot summer days. So as always, folks, make sure you're subscribing, make sure you get your friends subscribing, getting all the notifications, and we will see you next time on Billabong Views.